Good morning, Hoover community. I'm Dr. Costa. This is the weekly bulletin. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. It's going to be a busy couple of weeks before we break for winter and Christmas. So thanks for joining. Let's share some information. You have definitely heard that Hoover's closing at the end of this academic school year. We have an important meeting tonight for the community. It starts at 6, and this will be in our library tonight. And then we'll have another meeting Tuesday, January 6th as well. And this is about the closure of Hoover Middle School, information about our 6th graders right now and our 7th graders transitioning over to Bancroft or possibly another school. But please join us if you can. Friday, we invite all students to wear their favorite college or university shirt. It's a spirit day for everyone, and please support your favorite school, Long Beach City, Long Beach State. I know we got lots of USC and UCLA fans out there, so please support your favorite college or university. 8th graders. It's really important that we have updated address and phone number for you so that you can complete your high school application. If you need any help with that high school application, please call our main office or speak with Mrs. Ruesga. It's really important that you complete your high school application. This is information on the high schools. They have information nights, and they invite you over to their campus so you could get a tour of the campus and learn about the various small learning communities they have at each of their schools. So this date has already passed. Hopefully you've updated it. And again, reach out to Mrs. Ruesga if you need help on your high school application. Attendance goals. So we have a competition between 6th, 7th, and 8th. At the end of this week, I'm going to take a look at our attendance records, and the grade level that has the highest attendance rate above 96% will have a spirit week the week before we break for winter. So show up to school every day unless you are really sick. Otherwise, we need you here. We need you focused on learning. Important reminders. We continue to push students to think deeply about the tasks assigned, and those are standards-aligned, rigorous tasks. Safety to and from school, crossing the street. Parents, please don't double park or park in the driveway of our neighbors. And also, please help us by not parking in our bus zone. At Hoover, we lead with kindness and respect. We are strong and unified in anti-bullying, so please be kind to one another. Some additional reminders: when you exit your class at the end of the period or on your way to lunch, please walk out the door, please walk down the hallways, and keep your hands to yourself. We continue to do tardy sweeps. Please start on time. And please make sure that your earbuds are all put away, your technology's put away, your phones. We're doing a pretty good job. Please stay focused. Teachers, we ask that you and expect that you greet students at your door and help us supervise in the hallways. Thank you. This is what's going on in our wellness center this week. So please stop by the Wellness Center. And this is our very busy calendar. Let me try and move my picture out of the way a little bit. A lot going on this week. Again, we have that important parent information meeting tonight in our library from 6 to 7. We are also doing the iReady Diagnostic 2 reading in math. It's really, really important as we're getting close to halfway through the school year that you read all of the passages and all of the math problems very carefully and you show yourself and you show your family and you show this community that you are making progress towards our goals. We are looking for growth and stretch growth, and that means getting a few or a lot more test items correct than you did the previous time that you took the assessment. So there are incentives for students who are achieving stretch growth and kind of expected growth. For students who hit stretch growth, you will receive free dress passes. I think we've said for students who reach stretch, it's 2 free dress passes. For students who hit typical growth, it's 1 free dress pass. And so there's an opportunity in reading, and then there's also an opportunity in math. So this is really important. Coming up on the midpoint of this school year, you need to demonstrate that you've been focused, that this matters to you, because it absolutely matters, and show it. This is the time to show it. Don't say you've been working hard, show that you've been working hard. I also want to acknowledge some superstars from the girls' track. We have Nylan Samples, who was a finalist in the 100 and 200 meters. We have Allison Ortiz, who was a finalist in the 400. Vivian Emplio in the 400, great job. Sophia Tapia, congratulations in the 800. And then our 4x100 team and 4x400 team were finalists. So congratulations to girls track. Thank you, Miss Dickinson. Thank you, Mr. Cooper. Really appreciate you leading the girls. And congratulations to all the girls on the team. Great job. Our boys basketball team's at Franklin today. So good luck. This is what our schedule looks like the week before we go on break. We hope to have lunch with a loved one that Thursday. That's always a lot of fun. This is our plan for iReady. Thank you, Mr. Strader, for putting this together. We are doing the reading test in English and history. Mr. Strader sent out an email to all faculty members, so teachers, please take a look at that. Again, students, this is a very important test, and also if you hit stretch or expected growth, there are incentives. Typical growth and stretch growth, there we go. Thank you for watching. Focus on that iReady. Let's finish strong. Grateful to continue to be the principal here at Hoover Middle School. Please always remember, scholars make dollars and a difference.